Good day, everyone. Last night, I had a very interesting experience. We had our Christmas braai in the heat here in the Northern Cape, and my family was in the swimming pool. They all enjoyed the food. And then after that, once everything had been settled, I decided that I was going to have a swim. This was probably past 8 o'clock at night. And when I got into the pool, I remember that the International Space Station was going to have another pass. Over the past 4 nights we could actually view it, and I filmed it each and every time together with my son. And the third day, the whole family came out to witness this. The space station was visible for at least 4 minutes, which was quite a long time period on that day, and it was quite bright. And just as I got into the pool, I remember that it would still be visible yesterday evening. And as I looked up at that moment, I could see the space station pass in the trajectory that was predicted by the app, and then vanish into the distance. And I settled down into the water and looked up towards the west, where the sun normally sets, and our lounge light was on. So I actually put my hand in front of my eye to block out that light so I could see properly, because I wanted to see if I could see more satellites. And the satellites typically pass from the west over towards the east. And because the sun reflects on them, you can see them for a period of time and then they fade away. And the moment I put my hand in front of my eyes, this very bright light came over the roof of my house, in the distance, or like it appeared, because I obviously can't see below the line of the roof. And it was extremely bright. And first I thought this is odd, because I thought this might be an aircraft with its lights on. But it kept on coming from the west to the east, which I thought would normally be something in space in orbit, because that's a normal trajectory typically, except for the space station that obviously changes its orbit as it circumnavigates the Earth at 400 kilometers up. So as this light approached, I could see that it was swerving slightly from side to side, and made erratic movements. And I shouted out for both of my boys, Ethan and Joshua, to come outside to come and witness this. And when they came out, both of them saw this light still moving over. And Joshua came out first, and he could see the slight movements, which was odd, because to me an aircraft can't do that unless there's atmospheric disturbance of some kind, that makes the light, bends the light waves in a way that you can't just see it in a perfectly straight line. And then just vanished when it was about above our house. And it was difficult to determine the distance, but it was by far the brightest light in the sky, brighter than any of the stars. So I found this strange, and obviously it wasn't going at the speed of a meteorite entering the Earth's atmosphere at 100 kilometers up and burning up, which I've seen many times before. And my son immediately went on the internet and actually looked for any space launches or anything like that happening, or any space debris actually that might have entered the Earth's atmosphere that could explain this. But we could not find a proper explanation. We are still looking, but it just looked like a very hot ball of energy to me, as it moved towards us. And to us, until it's explained, it's what you would call a UAP, or unexplained aerial phenomenon. And it's the first time I see something this obvious in the Northern Cape. I've seen many other strange lights that might not correspond to the satellites in orbit or anything like it, but this specific event was fascinating because of the extreme brightness of the object, the fact that it wasn't an aircraft, which we could determine because the lights would have just stayed on, and we would have been able to see the aircraft carry on. It wasn't on a typical route. The aircraft over here traveled typically from the northeast towards the southwest. So yeah, just very strange. Did any of you see anything last night in the skies over the Northern Cape or anywhere else? Please let me know in the comments or contact me directly. I didn't have my phone with me, so I didn't take a photograph, but I took some footage of the space station where I zoomed in. I mean, it's not the best because the zoom on the phone obviously at that distance isn't great, but you can see the space station moving even relative to the stars. And I did that for my own record, capturing it, seeing and testing how accurate the app is, and it's actually spot on. The app tells you immediately when the space station is visible, and when it's not visible it gives you a reminder 15 minutes beforehand, which means that our determination of where the space station is at any given point in time is extremely accurate. But tell me in the comments if you saw anything over the Northern Cape. It was between 8 and 9 in the evening, around that time. Yeah, fascinating and perplexing, you know. After the metal sphere that I saw in the sky over Paarl when I was 10 years old, that was above my head, I don't know how far up, that moved in the shape of a diamond, came back to being over our house and then shot off over the Drakensberg Mountains, which has perplexed me to this very day. And I don't have answers for this. This sighting that I had last night was extremely interesting because I hadn't seen anything like that before, many other things, but not this. Yeah, looks like a very bright ball of energy. I don't know how else to explain it. So it's difficult to explain how high it was. Extremely bright in the night sky. Bright. Not like it lit up anything. Itself was bright. So tell me if you saw anything like that. Thanks so much for watching. Those of you that are interested in something like this, leave me a comment. Thanks so much. Till the next video.